you stay for a while. I'll take you on a...
Hey guys, so it is Tuesday. It is 11:52. I just broke a nail trying to buckle the car seats in because we had taken them out over the weekend and put them in hubby's rental car when we went to San Francisco, and we didn't buckle them back in when we got home because we got home kind of late, maybe around 9:30 on Sunday, and we just threw the car seats back in the car and we didn't buckle them. And of course I'm trying to rush to put the car seats in because Zia's just whining because she's hot being outside of the car. But the car is hot because I haven't moved it for like, I don't even know when. I'm cleaning my glasses, by the way, because they are disgusting. So yeah, now I'm gonna have to figure out what day I'm gonna go get my nail fixed because that looks horrible. I'm about to go get them some lunch. Zoe was watching a YouTube video and she wants soup. She had soup last night downstairs in the lobby, so now she's craving more soup. So anyway, I think I'm gonna get, what am I doing here? I think I'm gonna get some In-N-Out protein style, because I'm kind of hungry right now. I have laundry going, so I need to make this quick. I have 22 minutes to go because I just threw the laundry in there, went upstairs, grabbed my stuff, and now I'm in the car and it's hot. So yeah, I will see you guys in a little bit. Okay, I'm at In-N-Out and I'm gonna try the Flying Dutchman. I've never tried those before. I always get the protein style. Hi, good. Can I get 2 Flying Dutchman, mustard fried and grilled onions?
Yeah.
And can I get some of that sauce on the side?
Yeah, how many?
Just 1 is good.
Like any fries?
No, thank you.
2 Flying Dutchman, mustard fry with grilled onion and sliced bread.
Yes.
For the car?
For the car.
518, I think, or something.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. So anyway, as I was saying, I always get the protein style burger. But I saw somebody that's doing keto that gets this burger, and so I'm gonna try it. I don't know what the difference is, so we shall see. I convinced Zoe not to get soup. She got a slush instead, but she's being a little diva and she still wants soup, which I'm not gonna get her soup. It's hot. And she didn't eat her food, by the way. I'm just in the line. Oh, I made this decal on my cup. It says Brows, Lashes, Coffee, Wine. Yeah. No, we're not going to Target.
Flying Dutchman, how many spreads would you like?
Just 1.
One.
Yes. 2. Okay guys, so my timer went off that my laundry is now washed. So I'm gonna go back to the hotel and park there. But I wanted to show you that this is what the Flying Dutchman looks like. I've never ordered it this way, like I said before, so I went to In-N-Out, got the In-N-Out spread, just 1. I think this is keto friendly, but pretty much it's 2 patties with grilled onions, cheese, pickles, and it just looks like that. So they also gave me the little lap thing. So yeah, I'm gonna run back to the hotel because I have to get the clothes out, but I'm gonna eat this in the car at the hotel. All right, so I just got back to the hotel. I'm gonna eat this really quick and then I have to go get quarters for the dryer and then go put the clothes in the dryer. But I wanted to eat this and let you guys know a couple of things that have been going on. So hubby flew back home last week. He took some of our stuff home in suitcases. He had to go home for an emergency, and I'm not gonna put like his family's stuff out there because that's for him to decide. But so he flew down there. He had to take a couple of days off, and while he was going down there, he took some of our, well, mostly a lot of the girls' toys. Ooh, that pickle is sour. Oh my gosh. That pickle was sour. And so he got back on Friday at lunchtime. So this is really good. So he got back Friday, and then we were gonna leave to San Francisco on Friday, but then we decided to leave on Saturday. So that's what we ended up doing for the weekend. But then yesterday, which was Monday morning, I get a phone call. Hubby keeps calling me, and I was still asleep. And then I finally answered, and he's like, "You need to call home because your mom got admitted into the hospital," or something like that. Like, he was reading a message that my sister had wrote us on Messenger, which I don't understand why she just didn't call my phone. So anyway, he calls me and he's like, "Oh, you need to call your mom and your sister." So then I wake up and I call, and my mom was in a lot of pain Sunday. And it turned out that she needed to be admitted to the hospital, which was Monday. And then she had surgery on her gallbladder. They removed it. But you know, my mom's 73 years old, and I was like super worried, and I was like, "Oh my God, am I gonna have to, you know, catch the next flight?" It's just scary because you just never know what's gonna happen. And so that's why he went home, because, you know, he had to be at a hospital. So everything went fine with my mom. She got released. She's getting released today, which is Tuesday. So everything went well, thank goodness. But yeah, I talked to her and she was like, it was so painful. So that's the story on that. This is really good, but I think I would definitely have them wrap it in lettuce next time. And it's just pretty much 2 patties. Their pickles are super sour, you guys. Oh my God. But it's good. Look at all that cheese. I need some more sauce. They're doing a lot of construction right by our hotel. I think they're building another hotel right there. But what I also wanted to tell you guys is that we're kind of upset. I think I mentioned it before. I'm going to try another pickle. I think I mentioned it before that next month they're going to be shutting down this pool. So I don't know what we're going to do. This is a huge bite. Why do I love burgers so much? Guys, don't know what I'm gonna do. I love burgers too much. Thank God they're keto, because if not, I would totally be in trouble. Ah, come on. Work with me. Look how yummy that looks. When In-N-Out first went to Texas, the line was wrapped around a highway. That's how packed it was for people waiting just to get a burger. And quite honestly, I really don't think that they are all that. Like, we have Whataburger or Whataburger back in Texas. Oh my gosh. And I honestly think that their burgers are better. And I know if you're from California, you're going to disagree, but that's okay. Like, when you've only been used to one sort of burger, then, you know, obviously you're going to say it's the best. And since California is a chain, or In-N-Out is a chain here in California, everybody loves In-N-Out. And when we first got it, like, it was packed, busy in Texas. Now they're everywhere. Zoe, did you like your slush? You did? We went looking at RVs again this weekend before we stopped at this place going towards San Francisco. I'll put some footage in because I did record some footage on my phone. So I'll show you guys a couple of the ones that we looked at. So I don't know. That's gonna be sour. Oh my gosh. That is so sour. They are not like McDonald's pickles. You guys ready to get out? No? She wants soup. Why do you want soup so bad? Zoe. Why do you want soup? These onions, though, are so good. I'm gonna have to go get them like ramen soup or something, because I know I'm not gonna hear the end of it all day if she doesn't get soup. I can't eat the rest of this. Maybe I can. I'm not gonna let it go to waste. But these pickles, they're too sour. That was pretty good. I just didn't like the pickles. Next time I'll ask them to wrap it in lettuce, because I like that crunch. Those pickles were just too sour. So yeah, on to other things.
I give in to pacified. My body aches to be satisfied. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. I'm reaching out for the easy high. Please fortify this strength of mine. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes.
So this is a drive one. Seat, driver's seat, cabinets all around, sofa bed, couch, cabinets, sink. This is an older one, I believe, but it's bigger. I'll put the beds here. Bed over here. Bathroom. This is an older one, obviously, but it's bigger than the other one, I think. We shall see. With this one, we won't have to buy a truck. I think I just got locked in.